Hey, what's going on YouTube? I've said in several videos that I absolutely love my Discover It card. It is an important card that's in my arsenal. And just a couple of days ago, Monday to be exact, Discover announced their 5% categories for the entire year of 2022. Now, I love the Discover card because it gives you an opportunity, especially if you're a new person getting into the credit game or the cashback game or the points and miles game. It gives you an opportunity to have a fair chance at being approved. In addition, it's also great for seasoned veterans. And I can tell you right now, this card here is phenomenal because for the first year, when you apply for this card for the first year, Discover is going to match all the cash back that you earn, whether it's your 5% categories or your 1% for all other purchases. Hey, welcome to Points Blank Travel, everyone. My name is Rod, and on this channel, we talk about credit. We talk about credit cards. We talk about personal finance, points, miles, cash back, and how to travel around the world or around the country for little or no money out of your pocket. If there's something you're interested in, do me a favor if you haven't already done so, subscribe to the channel. Give a video a thumbs up and help the video get pushed out to people that may be looking for information like this. Share the channel with your family and friends. Share it on your social media platforms. Also, I would highly recommend checking out my link down in the description below for the Discover It credit card, as well as my various links for various credit cards that I have in my arsenal. You never know what type of welcome offer or welcome bonus you can earn down there. Also, check out my link down in the description below for Patreon. My $5 membership with Patreon will give you access to articles that I post daily that are talking about specials like this. Just in case your boy don't do a video on them, please check that out. And with all that being said, let's roll, baby. Now, with the Discover card, you have the opportunity to earn 5% cash back on rotating categories up to $1,500 each quarter. Now, these categories are set by Discover, and you must activate these different bonus categories each quarter, but it gives you an opportunity to earn $75 per quarter or a total of $300 per year. And keep in mind, your first year, Discover is going to match all the cash back that you earn. Now, just because you reach your $1,500 plateau in a certain quarter, you can still keep using your Discover card, but instead of getting 5%, you're only going to get 1% cash back on all other purchases or on bonus categories once you exceed the $1,500. But at the end of the day, you're still winning. And I can tell you right now, you know, people out here looking at certain cards, I would highly recommend taking a look at the Discover It card. And again, my link is down in the description below. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at these new 5% categories for 2022. But before we do that, let me cover the current 5% category on the Discover It card, and that is Amazon.com, Walmart.com, and Target.com. You will earn 5% cash back on a bonus on at Amazon.com, Walmart.com, and Target.com from now until December 31st, 2021 on up to $1,500 in purchases. Remember, you're going to earn $1,500 each quarter, and then it's going to revert back to 1% cash back on all other purchases. Now, here we are. This is what's exciting, ladies and gentlemen. From January to March 2022, the first quarter, you can get 5% cash back at grocery stores, fitness clubs, and gym memberships. I don't ever remember seeing gym memberships or fitness clubs as part of the 5% categories for the Discover It card. Now, with the grocery stores, you need to keep this in mind. This is huge right here, and I'm going to highlight it. It excludes Walmart and Target purchases. Those aren't considered grocery stores. Those are considered super centers, and then you have your wholesale clubs like Sam's Club. But right now, Target and Walmart are excluded. Please keep that in mind. Next, quarter two, April to June 2022, you're looking at gas stations, and lo and behold, they're including Target. Ladies and gentlemen, right here, Target is a 5% category for the second quarter. I'll be honest, I don't really shop at Target, but for those of you that do, you can really take advantage and earn some serious cash back. Now, the activation for this starts February 1st. Right now, I could actually go ahead and activate. I'm not going to do it for the sake of this video, but probably once I finish this video, I'm going to log in and activate my quarter 1 2022 categories. Keep in mind, you have to activate them. Don't automatically assume that because you had a card each quarter, you're automatically enrolled. They're going to send you an email. It's one click. It's very simple. So don't really trip on that. And the third quarter, July to September 2022, you're going to get 5% cash back at restaurants and PayPal. This is extremely lucrative because there are a lot of institutions that take PayPal. A lot of merchants take PayPal. So it really broadens your bonus category for the third quarter. And you can activate that starting May 1st. And the fourth quarter, I think this is probably the biggest quarter of the year. And I'm not a huge fan of online shopping, but I think Discover really got it right this time, because you're looking at holiday shopping online and in store, Amazon.com, 5% cash back, and digital wallets, as long as you're using, and let me highlight this, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Samsung Pay, and Garmin Pay. That's considered a mobile wallet. So you could go back to the gas station. You could go back to the grocery store if it takes mobile wallets, and you could earn 5% cash back. Again, it is capped at $1,500 per quarter, but I'm telling you, man, that is the one I'm excited about. And I don't really put a lot of spin in my digital wallet, but I can tell you right now, for the fourth quarter of 2021, when I go back to Amazon.com, Target.com, and Walmart.com right here, I don't really shop online, so I'm not getting anything out of this. So I'm really looking forward, not that I want to rush the year alone, but I'm looking forward to the bonus categories that Discover has chosen for the fourth quarter of 2022. So do me a favor. Tell me, what do you think of the new bonus categories for 2022 for the Discover It card? I'd love to hear about it. Please post it down in the comments below. I'm excited. I don't know about y'all, but I'm pretty excited. You got fitness and gym memberships. There are going to be a lot of people that's going to be able to take advantage of that. Will that exceed or get up to $1,500? Probably not. But that digital wallet category, that is huge. Again, I love to hear what you think about it. Post it down in the comments below. If you haven't done so, please do me a favor. Subscribe to the channel. Get a video a thumbs up. It helps it get pushed out to people that could be looking for pertinent information like this. Share the channel with your family and friends. Share it on your social media platforms. And as always, shoot for the moon. If you don't make it, you'll be amongst the stars. I'll be coming at you soon, dropping even more fire, dropping even more knowledge. And until the next time, hope you're having a blessed and prosperous week. Peace, baby.